So I was I keep saying so. I really have to stop it. I really have to stop it.
Okay, stop doing that.
Welcome back to my channel. I don't know why I'm pointing at you, but subscribe to my channel. And yeah, let's just get into it. I'm just gonna gel my edges just to get some cute baby hair out of it, just so it looks really cute and sleek. It's cute, right? I know it's cute. I kind of like this one. It's like goddess kind of look. Look at me. I'm just feeling myself. Yeah, touch it. Keep touching. Serious stuff going on right here. Why does it look like I'm actually frowning? Like, look at that space right there. Did you see that? I didn't see that. Let's just move on. I know, I'm very dramatic. Can you try to maybe smile? Wait for it. There you go. There you go. Look how cute that is. Look at those edges. Look at those baby hairs. They're popping. They're popping. Leave a comment below and tell me which of these hairstyles are your favorite hairstyles. My favorite hairstyle is number 2. It gives me that classic look that I really want and I think is really cute. That's my thing, you know, I gotta do it. This is the end of the video. I had so much fun shooting this styles video today and I hope you guys liked it too. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below and still tell me about my hair and my makeup. Tell me what you think about it. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video.